Now let's learn subtraction of 4-digit numbers with borrowing from tens place. Question is, subtract 5315 from 9472. To subtract these 4-digit numbers, let's write them in columns. Now, subtract the digits at ones place. 5 is bigger than 2. So 5 cannot be subtracted from 2. So we will borrow 1 from 7. So 7 becomes 6 and 2 becomes 12. Now we can easily subtract digits at ones place. 12 minus 5 equals to 7. Next, subtract the digits at tens place. 6 minus 1 equals to 5. Now, subtract the digits at hundreds place. 4 minus 3 equals to 1. And in the end, let's subtract the digits at thousands place. 9 minus 5 equals to 4. So our answer is 4157. So students, this is how we do subtraction of 4-digit numbers with borrowing from tens place. Now let's learn subtraction of 4-digit numbers with borrowing from hundreds place. Question is, subtract 6595 from 8969. Let's first write these numbers in columns. Now let's subtract the digits at ones place. 9 minus 5 equals to 4. Next, subtract the digits at tens place. But 9 is bigger than 6. So 9 cannot be subtracted from 6. So we will borrow 1 from 9. So 9 becomes 8 and 6 becomes 16. Students, now we can easily subtract the digits at tens place. 16 minus 9 equals to 7. Now, let's subtract the digits at hundreds place. 8 minus 5 equals to 3. And then subtract the digits at thousands place. 8 minus 6 equals to 2. So our answer is 2374. So this is how we do subtraction of 4-digit numbers with borrowing from hundreds place. Now let's understand subtraction of 4-digit numbers with borrowing from thousands place. Question is, subtract 2531 from 7468. To subtract these 4-digit numbers, let's write them in columns. Now, subtract the digits at ones place. 8 minus 1 equals to 7. Now subtract the digits at tens place. 6 minus 3 equals to 3. Next, subtract the digits at hundreds place. But 5 is bigger than 4. So 5 cannot be subtracted from 4. So we will borrow 1 from 7. So 7 becomes 6 and 4 becomes 14. Now we can easily subtract the digits at hundreds place. So we will do 14 minus 5 equals to 9. In the end, let's subtract the digits at thousands place. 6 minus 2 equals to 4. So our answer is 4937. So students, this is how we do subtraction of 4-digit numbers with borrowing from thousands place. Now let's learn subtraction of 4-digit numbers with borrowing at all the places. Question is, subtract 1485 from 3261. Let's first write them in columns. Now subtract the digits at ones place. But 5 is bigger than 1. So 5 cannot be subtracted from 1. So let's borrow 1 from 6. So 6 becomes 5 and 1 becomes 11. Now we can subtract these digits at ones place. So let's subtract 5 from 11 and we get 6. Now let's move and subtract the digits at tens place. But again 8 is bigger than 5. So 8 cannot be subtracted from 5. So let's borrow from hundreds place. So 2 becomes 1 and 5 becomes 15. Now we can subtract the digits at tens place. That is 15 minus 8 equals to 7. Now students, let's subtract the digits at hundreds place. But again 4 cannot be subtracted from 1. So let's borrow from thousands place. So 3 becomes 2 and 1 becomes 11. Now we can subtract the digits at hundreds place. 11 minus 4 equals to 7. In the end, let's subtract the digits at thousands place. 2 minus 1 equals to 1. So we get the answer as 1776. So this is how we do subtraction of 4-digit numbers with borrowing at all the places. So now students, let's do one more example. Question is, subtract 5687 from 9643. Let's write them in columns. Now subtract the digits at ones place. But 7 is bigger than 3. So it cannot be subtracted from 3. Therefore, let's borrow from tens place. So 4 becomes 3 and 3 becomes 13. Now we can easily subtract 7 from 13 and we get 6. Now let's subtract the digits at tens place. But again 8 is bigger than 3. So it cannot be subtracted from 3. So we will borrow from hundreds place. So 6 becomes 5 and 3 becomes 13. Now let's subtract these two numbers at tens place. 13 minus 8 equals to 5. Now let's move on and subtract the digits at hundreds place. But again 6 cannot be subtracted from 5. So let's borrow from thousands place. So 9 becomes 8 and 5 becomes 15. Now 15 minus 6 equals to 9. And in the end, let's subtract the digits at thousands place. 8 minus 5 equals to 3. So our answer is 3000 956. So students, I'm sure you have understood how to do subtraction of 4-digit numbers with borrowing.